Hello WBP stars, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Davide Caranchini. I'm the head chef and owner of restaurant Materia in Cernobbio on Lake Como. Today I'm going to show you a dish called BBQ salad. So it's a 100% vegetarian dish, which the taste will recreate a kind of meaty flavor on the grill. So the ingredients or the preparations are carpione pumpkin puree. So carpione is a typical recipe of the lake, prepared by using vinegar to marinate traditionally fish, but in this case we're using onto pumpkin. So it's a pumpkin puree with all the ingredients of the carpione. Black truffle, roasted pumpkin seeds, fermented celeriac crisps, kale that now is fresh and just dressed with some olive oil, and we're gonna barbecue it now. Mayonnaise made with walnut oil, and the sauce made with mushrooms, seaweeds and truffle. So, first thing to do is just barbecuing the kale. So we move to our barbecue and we just put the kale on top to crisp up and get a bit of the smokiness from the charcoal. Quite brief, it doesn't take too long. You just need to be careful and flip it over quite often, because otherwise you get burnt very easily. So as you can see, it's very thin, so it doesn't need to get overcooked or burned. Worst. Try to open up as much as we can the leaves, so the heating is the same on the whole surface. Just a few seconds and they're ready. You see it? Now they're ready. They're roasted enough. Of course the smaller leaf would cook now shorter time than the biggest one. So, first thing on here, our pumpkin puree on the bottom of the plate. It's gonna be nice and sweet and sour. We're gonna mix up everything. These the ingredients, the preparation that will combine all the other tastes. We put over a bit of our walnut mayonnaise, which basically is a normal mayonnaise made by using walnut oil instead of the other oils normally involved into mayonnaise. Then a few pumpkin seeds just toasted and salted. They're gonna add a different kind of roast nutty flavor to the dish, and of course a bit of texture, as well as the celeriac crisps, just a bit like this. There we go. On top of them, a few small pieces, or not too small actually, of fermented celeriac. And we top up everything with our kale, so you can hear the crispiness. Just very random, not too much cabbage, but enough to cover up the rest of the ingredients on top. That's enough. And we finish by grating a bit of black truffle on top. White. Okay. Last but not least, our sauce, which is some mushroom, seaweed, and a bit of butter. It's very reduced, so it's almost very meaty in flavor and taste, and we finish it up like this. So here we have our barbecue salad and black truffle.